All right, so it's race day. NASA, HRSA Test and Tune event, September of 2022. This event is pretty cool because it's sponsored by Circuit Hawaii. They're the private company doing Build the Track. They're trying to build a private racetrack on Oahu. I'm super hopeful that they will be successful. And they sponsored me for racing today. So today's event, I didn't have to pay anything. So what's better than going racing and not having to pay the dues? Because these dues are usually like $155, $160. So woohoo, we'll just get to it. I wasn't paying attention, just memory now. Autopilot. Now, something about today's race event after I went there is that usually these Circuit Hawaii events bring the people who've sponsored or paid into building the track, and they bring exotic cars. They'll bring Porsches, Ferraris, even Lamborghinis. But today on my event, which is the last event of the year, shockingly, there were none. And I asked the host or presenter or sponsor, who was the coordinator for the event, I'm like, hey, where's the other cars? And he mumbled something to the fact that the high-end car people complained about the cost of their tires. And my mind just melts, because I know that tires get old after 5 years and you gotta throw them away anyway. So yeah, there's that. Might as well enjoy them. So was I the fastest one there today? Almost. You saw that little clip with the red Toyota MR2, and that car's actually showed up in other videos of mine, and that guy can drive, and that MR2 can turn, and he beat me pretty badly. So my fastest time before the end of the session was like a 50.7. I was so stoked. And then I'm pulling up, and then that MR2, now mind you, MR2 is not running regular tires. It's a test and tune, so you can run whatever you want. Run what you brung. So he had 4 Hoosier slicks on there, road racing slicks. And I looked, and he did like a 49.89. And I was like, oh my God, I cannot catch that. That's ridiculous. And his car sounded very subtle. So however the engine is built, it's sleeper mode because it's quiet. Then I guess I had said something to someone, and it got back to him. So you know what he did? Now I don't know this man, but he went and put his street tires on. And I was like, okay. And so then I was like, oh, okay, well, there's a chance, if I can beat him. But no, he wanted to prove that he can beat my Porsche with the street tires on. And then he went around and he did a 49.9 on street tires. I was like, not that much slower on street tires. So I then let the air out of my tires a little, and I did one last run.
Trying to change back to the street tires, and you can beat them.
Oh, yeah, for sure then. Oh, he's making it easy for me? Okay. Well, I overcooked the last run, so we threw that away.
He just wants to slide around a little, so he's going to go change tires.
Oh, I got him excited.
But now you can beat it.
All right, we'll see.
He ran like a 49.8.
Yeah, because he ran a 49 something, 49.8, and I was like, oh God.
I mean, he's on slicks. He ran 57. You're under a second. They're tight. The small cars are going to come back. You're within a second of him with street tires. It's not bad. He's on 4 Hoosiers all the way around it.
Yeah.
He is gripped up. To be honest, got me by like 0.14.
Oh. That happens though.
Just wish it was bigger, then I wouldn't feel bad about it. The gap was so small.
Wow, yeah, you're like, that's one turn, that's one cone.
At least you missed the timing piece. It's just a cone.
thank you for watching this video. I haven't done anything on my Porsche 996. There's supposed to be another racing event tomorrow. Because of the drama with the paint, I didn't register to race because I don't know the status of the wheels. I can't find anybody who wants to help me with the wheels because they're chrome, not polished. And so that's a bit of a drama. And yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna enjoy the day, and you should enjoy your day. A good, fun day. I did injure myself a little. I blistered both hands because I don't wear gloves. And one time the car got a little jumpy from sliding a little from one side to the other and then smashing on the brakes. And the seatbelt pinched me and gave me a bruise, which is hilarious. That's just me. All right. Well, thank you.